Understanding measles as a contagious disease is crucial. Measles is a highly contagious disease that affects people of all ages. It is a serious health concern, especially for young children. It is crucial to understand this disease to protect ourselves and our communities. Measles can lead to serious complications, including pneumonia and encephalitis. In some cases, measles can be fatal. Therefore, it is vital to be aware of the causes, symptoms, and prevention strategies associated with this infectious disease. The measles virus causes measles. This virus lives in the nose and throat mucus of an infected person. When an infected person sneezes or coughs, respiratory droplets containing the virus are released into the air. These droplets can infect others if inhaled or if they land on surfaces and are then touched by uninfected individuals. Measles is highly contagious, and an infected person can spread the virus for up to 4 days before the rash appears. Measles typically begins with a fever, cough, runny nose, and red, watery eyes. These initial symptoms are often followed by a rash. The rash usually appears a few days after the fever starts. The rash typically starts on the face and spreads downwards, eventually covering the entire body. Other symptoms of measles may include muscle aches, loss of appetite, and diarrhea. Vaccination is the most effective way to prevent measles. The measles, mumps, and rubella or MMR vaccine is safe and highly effective. It protects against all 3 diseases. The MMR vaccine is typically given in 2 doses. There is no specific treatment for measles. However, supportive care can help manage the symptoms. This includes rest, fluids, and over-the-counter fever reducers. In some cases, antiviral medications may be prescribed to shorten the duration of the illness.